Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 13 mini, replacing the SIM tray. If your SIM tray is damaged or missing, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, we disassemble the motherboard. Now apply paste to protect micro parts. We were removing soft protectors from the SIM tray area. Applying tape and extra metal to protect micro parts from heat. Applying a liquid to desoldering SIM tray connector. Removing soldering through soldering iron. Placing the motherboard to a motherboard holder. Applying heat to SIM tray area through hot gun. Remove the old tray. Apply the paste and clean the connector points. This is a new SIM tray. Placing the SIM tray to perfect position. Apply some paste and attach it through soldering iron. After cleaning the board, now place it on the phone. After the phone assembly, it's time to check. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the SIM tray on your iPhone 13 mini. If you found this video helpful, Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Do you have any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.